curious about why wealth seems out of reach? Dive into the contrast between the rich and the financially challenged. Discover the keys to abundance and your pathway to prosperity. Let me assure you, this video is going to change your life. Here are some points which can help you to become the next millionaire. 1. Taking initiative versus waiting for opportunities. Successful people take initiative and create opportunities for themselves, while unsuccessful ones wait for opportunities to come to them. So stand up and take the initiative. 2. Setting goals versus drifting. Successful individuals set specific, measurable goals and work towards achieving them, whereas unsuccessful ones lack clear goals and drift aimlessly. 3. Adaptability versus resistance to change. Successful individuals embrace change and adapt quickly to new circumstances, while unsuccessful ones resist change and cling to familiarity. So accept the change. Continuous learning versus stagnation. Successful individuals prioritize continuous learning and self-improvement, while unsuccessful ones remain stagnant in their knowledge and skills. Networking versus isolation. Successful individuals actively network and build relationships, recognizing the value of connections, while unsuccessful ones tend to themselves and miss out on opportunities. 5. Seeking feedback versus avoiding feedback. Successful people actively seek feedback from others to learn and grow, while unsuccessful ones avoid feedback out of fear or pride. 6. Healthy lifestyle versus neglecting health. Successful individuals prioritize their physical and mental health, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, whereas unsuccessful ones neglect their health, leading to burnout and poor performance. 8. Gratitude versus entitlement. Successful people cultivate gratitude for what they have, while unsuccessful ones harbor a sense of entitlement and resentment towards others. 9. Investing in relationships versus burning bridges. Successful individuals invest in building and nurturing relationships, while unsuccessful ones burn bridges and alienate others. 10. Lifelong learning versus complacency. Successful people have a thirst for knowledge and are committed to lifelong learning, while unsuccessful ones become complacent and stop seeking new experiences and insights. Follow these principles of successful people for some months, and hopefully you will be the biggest millionaire of your family. That's all for today.